Hello guys, welcome to Kate and Ashley's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious dessert, Gelatina De Mosaico. It is super tasty and flavorful. So let's get started. To start off with, we cut our gelatin into cubes. We use strawberry, lemon, orange, and piña. We bought the Jello boxes. So you just have to follow the instructions and then you just cut them into cubes. In a bowl, pour in the 3 milks. 198 grams of condensed milk, which is also 7 ounces. 113 grams of media crema, which is also 3.8 ounces. 177 grams of evaporated milk, which is 6 ounces. And we're just gonna mix that until well combined. For this recipe, you're going to need gelatina, gelatin. We're using gelatin powder, which you're gonna need 12 grams of it. And you're gonna add in about 2 to 4 tablespoons of water, but make sure the water is hot and just give that a mix until the powder dissolves. Once mixed, we're gonna pour it into our 3 milk mixture. And just mix that until it's well incorporated. Now let's put it all together. We are using a bun pan. Grease it up a little bit. We're gonna grease it up just so it can be easier to release it when it's done. First, pour in a little bit of the liquid mixture and then add in gelatin pieces. You want to make sure to add in a lot of gelatin colors and just mix them up so it can look a lot more beautiful when you have the finished product. You keep on adding the gelatin pieces until you don't see plenty of liquid. And then you're gonna use a spatula to press down and repeat the same process. Cover it with plastic wrap and put it into the refrigerator for 1 hour or overnight. After the mosaico is done, using your fingertips, we're gonna pull it from the sides so it could unstick from the pan. In the middle, we decided to add the extra gelatin that was left over. And there you have it, a beautiful gelatina de mosaico. It is flavorful with all of those delicious flavors from the fruits. And it's silky with the milks. It just gives it its own special kind of taste. And it's super delicious. So if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like, turn on notifications, comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye!